Interesting set of vehicles. There's a Mercury pickup truck. Let's see what else we have here. There's a Fargo. Of course, the Mercury was a Ford truck. It's an M68. Here's a Fargo, which is the Plymouth version of a Dodge. International Harvester. Another Mercury pickup truck. Obviously a heavy duty one from Saskatchewan. Fargo. Another Fargo. It's Ford. Someone has collected an awful lot of these old 40s, 50s trucks. Quite a collection. I don't know, guys, there's a lot. Looks like a flathead Ford sitting there. Ford F68. They got the Chevys too. GMC. Guys, I don't know what you would do with these, but there's got to be a lot of possibilities. I mean, this is just a lot. Now, for you thinking that that's all there is, there's a lot more. A lot more. What surprises me is that most of these, not all of them, most of them are holding air, and these are rollable vehicles. Pretty cool. There's a white Maple Leaf. Anybody remember that brand? Maple Leaf truck. Very cool. Well, here's an old Mercury M68. Not sure how it was originally configured. The box or whatever was on the back is gone. It is interesting to have a look at how the rear axle was set up. It's a lot of short leafs there. Looks like a solid drive shaft going right to a hanger bearing in the middle. And it looks like there is a transmission up there. Very interesting. And there's the dash, or the instrument panel, I should say. And it still has the Mercury emblem on the ashtray, which is kind of cool. Sure, it's fairly rare. Kind of fun to see. There's your Mercury truck with the bug or insect netting. Non-stop fight up north to keep the insects from clogging up your radiator. It's actually a real thing where people are willing to go through a fair bit of effort to keep that from being a problem. Mercury 600. Pretty cool.